friends. You're here with Trisha Hernandez. I'm the Public Services Librarian here at the Marion Jeff Bell Library of Texas A&M University Corpus Christi. Today's going to be a quick video just covering peer-reviewed articles. More specifically, I'm going to talk to you about how to use the library's quick search and to filter out specifically peer-reviewed articles. So you don't want all that other stuff, you specifically want peer-reviewed articles. After that, we'll probably take a quick look at how to do the same thing but in a database. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So here we are at the library's homepage. To get here, you would simply type in tamucc.edu/library. Once on this page, if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll find a search bar. We call this bar the quick search. If you click inside the bar, you'll notice that it gives you a drop down. And right there on the drop down, you have show only peer reviewed. So if I click this box, anything that I enter or search for in this top box will only be peer-reviewed sources. So that is one way to make sure that your results are all peer-reviewed. Now we're on a results page here. I went ahead and did a search for dyslexia. You'll see that I have 44,281 results. Let's say that I did not click peer reviewed on that first page when I clicked in the box, which is exactly what I didn't do. That's okay. Over here on the left hand filter menu, you will see that it does include peer reviewed as an option, so I can easily check this box right here. And now you'll see our results have dropped down to 23,554, meaning that it removed anything that was not peer-reviewed. So once again, it's as simple as clicking a box. Let's try something a little different. Now I'm in one of our databases. In this case, you will notice that there is also a peer-reviewed checkbox here. So here are my search bars, and right under you can see peer-reviewed, and I can easily check that off. Now let's do another one where, let's say, I didn't check that off. Okay, here we are on the results page. I once more search for dyslexia. In this case, this particular database does mark the articles that are peer-reviewed. So you see this check mark and peer-reviewed, which is nice and convenient. Not all databases do offer that, however, so please be aware of that. But if I want to make sure that maybe I want to reduce my results, I can click on the peer review button right here. And now we can see our results have dropped down to 3,000 from where it was 5,000 before. If for some reason peer reviewed is not located up here, you can click on the all filters, which will give you a new menu, and you'll see a peer reviewed box here. So again, just clicking on a box. Okay, one more stop. I wanted to show you a database that looked a little different than the last one we saw. Can you find the peer reviewed button here? There it is, right under the search bars again, we can find the checkbox for peer reviewed. So I can go ahead and click this and once again be reassured that all of my results will be peer reviewed. For the sake of making sure we cover all of our bases, let's say again that I don't click that box. What does that look like for this particular database? I went ahead and I did a search for dyslexia once more. In this case, again, I did not click the box on that first search page. But once more, we do have our left-hand filter menu or our filter menu. And again, it does have a peer-reviewed box. So we're at 223. If I click peer-reviewed, it drops us down quite a bit. We are now at 46,192 results. Again, once more, I'm reassured that all of my results are peer-reviewed. There you have it. Hopefully that proved helpful to you. We do have other resources on our DIY LibGuide pages to help you navigate the peer review process and what that looks like and what it means exactly if you still have some questions.